welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Turn it off, man. I am here at work. Yes, sorry, I am late. I don't know how that happened. Doesn't matter if I didn't get to bed till almost 3 in the morning because I was up on the computer. Anyway, guys, man, I got some bad news. Bad news phone call. Service advisor called me up. Most of the guys that write up tickets at the job, you know, have my number. We need to communicate. There's nothing wrong with a form of communication. But what was said on the phone was what's the bad news. JT, you have a comeback, okay? And you know, when I get a comeback, it's broadcasted all over the shop. You're a loser, JT. You don't know what you're doing. You got a comeback. Shame on you. You know me, I just laugh it out. Ha ha, he ha. They playing again. But no, he was serious, okay? Yes, y'all remember the PT Cruise I put the engine in? Yes, I'm here at the job, by the way. He told me it came back. She have a leak, some red fluid leaking on there. Woo! One sigh of relief, because I thought he was finna say the car is overheating again. Oh no! But that's not it. Leaks, red fluid leak. Now, is that considered a comeback, even if it's something different? No, but because I was the last one to work on it, I should be, you know, it should go back to me. I'm not rooting for the car. I mean, it could have went to anybody, but because I was the last one to work on it, it could be something that I did. And I have no problem with rechecking the car, okay? So, oh man, I'm late. So what I'm gonna do, and guys, I got a pretty good idea of what it is too. When you say red fluid, it's either coolant or transmission fluid. If I'm not mistaken, when I put, y'all know I replaced the axles also. When I replaced those axles, I had a hard time with, well, my helper did, and I jumped in, and then I did. We had a hard time with the left side, hard time getting it in. So what we ended up doing was, I don't even want to tell you because I'm speculating. Maybe that's not it. I don't know, but we will not know until we get in here and find out. Okay, so I'm gonna sneak in through the back door because again, I'm late, and I don't want my boss to know. Let me look around, see if anybody's looking. Okay, guys. I think the coast is clear. Let's go see what's going on. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. What a morning. What a freaking morning. Okay. Yes, I'm here at work. I'm just getting here running late, guys. I got it under control. Anyway, I got a phone call this morning. JT, that PT Cruiser you put the engine in, it is back. Oh, could you imagine what's going through my head? Oh my God, what I do wrong? What I do? Is the engine I put in bad? Is the engine I put in overheating? Is the car still overheating? No, it has a leak. Some sort of fluid leak, red. Could be coolant, could be transmission. Well, I have it in the air now. And from what I'm thinking, yes, it's exactly what I thought. Okay, guys. I am semi-embarrassed. Shame on you, JT. Yes, guys, this is a transmission fluid. Dirty transmission fluid, but it's transmission fluid. And it's coming from here. And I'm going to tell you why in a second, because I remember I had to do this. I had no choice. We had a hard time, me and my helper had a hard time getting the axle into the transaxle. Okay, this is a transaxle. That's because the axle is built into the transmission. So they tend to call it a transaxle. Well, this side popped in. Y'all know on the end of these axles, there's a clip, a locking clip. Now, this one, he couldn't get it in with that locking clip on. Let me see something. I don't have no gloves on. Oh, yeah, see. That, oh, yeah, that's sealed. It's not that the seal is leaking. It's just the axle is not all the way in, locked into place. Even, and this is a brand new axle, guys. Even with the knuckle, the suspension put together, there's still, you would think the pressure
would keep that forced in. Because even if you turn it in wheel, this joint would just flex. It's not that this will be trying to work its way in or out, but for that reason alone, for that little safety reason, they put a locking ring on it that's supposed to retract once into place and expand, retract in order to pull out or put in and expand to lock it in place. But we end up taking that one off so we can get the axle in, not realizing that it would eventually work its way out and cause a leak. Oh yeah, look at that. No. We gotta take that out. Now, we popped the ring off and boing, it went. So it is somewhere, we'll never find that. Never find that ring, but look at, okay, yeah, it's working its way back here, so I can imagine what the customer was pissed, probably complained about. And I am embarrassed. Okay, I should know better. The fact is, guys, not that I should know better. I wasn't thinking. I didn't think it would, result in this. Like I say, this side, both of these two axles. Remember, well, I don't know if you remember it. We put two hub bearings on here, and the axle, it had a vibration and a roaring sound. And yes, the hub bearings was shot. Now this ring, like, you cannot move this in and out because the ring is on there. All right. I know I ain't gonna find that ring. I tell you what, where is the old? Yeah, we do it like that. Yeah, what I'm thinking about. Matter of fact, the old axle still sitting right. JT, you in luck. Yes, guys. Y'all see that? That is what right there. So I'm gonna try to safely get that off, guys, and put this on this new axle. Yes. Or either just put this, because we had a vibration. It's typically always the longer axle that caused the vibration under load. It's never this. But I ain't gonna say never, but I very seldom will see this one causing the vibration. So I can either put this complete axle back in or simply take the ring off and put on a new axle. But they paid for a new axle. They're gonna keep a new axle, and I'm gonna repair what I'm responsible for. Okay, this is all on me, not my helper, not anybody. This is my bad. Okay, and I actually feel pretty bad because of it. Okay, so guys, let me spend a little time to get this. No big deal. Take the wheel off, take the knuckle off, take the nut off, pull the axle out. It ain't gonna take much effort to get it out because it's barely in. And put that ring on it. All right, guys, I got work to do. Hold tight. I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the ring on the new axle, and with a couple hard push in, it fell right in place, surprisingly. Okay, see, you can tell the difference between when it came in as opposed to how I got it in now. And it's actually locked in, so in order for me to remove it, I will have to pry it out. That's what the spring is designed for. See, I can't even. Yes, so that should eliminate that leak because it's now compressed up against the seal, and the seal will be able to do its job. Okay, which begs the question, man, is this axle, I hope this axle is the right, have the right parameters for this car, okay? Because look at that, I can, I understand my knuckle is back far, but still, I don't know, guys. All I really want to do is repair this leak. I am ashamed of myself Yes, I'm hard on myself, guys. If quite frankly, you should be. Okay, this should not have happened. I almost want to apologize to the customer. When something like this happens, I usually offer like a free oil change. Well, you know, because I'll be feeling bad and I have to take it up with the manager. Why don't you give her a free oil change? At least the labor part. You know, I don't want to pay for nothing. But, you know, if they can split it up like that, I would change her oil for no price. And, you know, she just pay for the parts. But, yes, I feel terrible. But life goes on. So I'm going to clean all this up. Recheck the fluid, guys. I'm going to clean it up, recheck the fluid, go drive it, check the transmission fluid again. I may have to add some. I'm sure I will have to add some because it leaked out. All right, so I'm going to put all this back together, and that's it, guys. That's all I have. Just wanted to share that with you guys, that nobody is perfect. Okay, I'm sure y'all already knew that, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.